Okay, good morning, students. Today we start a data visualization. Okay, then these are the topic. First is the purpose of plotting, drawing, and saving the following types of plot by using the Matplotlib. Okay, the different type of plotting. It means the line plot, bar plot, histogram, pie chart, box plot, scatter. Different type of graph will be created by with the help of Matplotlib. It is a library of Python. Okay, and these are the different type of styles. It means how to add labels, line, which type of line we have to show, dot dot and dash, colors, title, legend, different things. Okay, now start. Okay, the first one, this is the chapter third. This unit is divided into two chapters, chapter 3 and chapter 4. The first one is plotting with pyplot 1. The second chapter name is plotting with the pyplot 2. Okay, then this is started. Then, what is the data visualization? Visualization means how to show the data. Clear? Then as we know, it is an R of big data. Okay, now in this way we have huge data and we have to retrieve the information from data, and the graphically representation is a very good to retrieve the data, also to retrieve the information. Then this this data is very important for any organization for decision making. Okay, because most of the organization perform the operation on the data, collect the data, and after collection they are analyzed. Then this data visualization is very helpful to analyze, to show the result. Okay, then visualization techniques of such big data are very important for the purpose of analyzing of data. Then what is the data visualization? Data visualization is basically refer to the graphical or visual representation of data. Okay, with the help of different elements, different graphs, for example, chart, graph, map. Then again the chart is divided into different line chart, pie chart, bar chart, histogram, scatter. These are the different. It means first we collect the data, and as per the requirement we use and create different type of graphs. Okay, and after the representation of graphical representation of data, we can easily analyze the result. It means it is very useful to convert data into the information. Okay, then again, what is this? Data visualization refer to the graphical or visual representation of information or data using visual elements like chart, graph, and map. Which is simple. This feature is stored in pyplot in Python. It means this data visualization is not a feature of Python. It is a feature of Python's library pyplot. Okay, to create different type of graph, we first have to import the library. Which library? This is the library pyplot. This is the library of Python. Okay. Next, The Matplotlib is a Python library that provides many interface and functionalities for 2D graphics similar to the MATLAB. It means now we study the Matplotlib. The pyplot is a one function of the Matplotlib, and this Matplotlib is used to create the 2D graphics images. Okay, then Matplotlib library offers many different name collection of methods. The one method is mat or one method is pyplot. Okay, then library name is Matplotlib. The one method or collection of method is pyplot. This pyplot is used to create two-dimensional images or graphs. Next, how to import, how to install Matplotlib. For this, first we have to open cmd command prompt and just type pip install Matplotlib. Okay, that Matplotlib is a library we have to import by the using command prompt. It is a very simple way, but internet is required to install. Okay, then how to import? Then we have to write import matplotlib.pyplot. Okay, we have to import this one matplotlib.pyplot. Then we will use the command afterwards using the object pl with dot. Okay, then this is the numpy array. We already studied about the numpy array in class 11th. What is the full form of numpy? Numpy means numerical Python. Again, it is a library of Python. For this, we have to import numpy. We have to write import numpy as np. Again, with the help of numpy array, we can create one-dimensional array and two-dimensional array. It means it is two-dimensional or multi-dimensional array is called the matrix. And one-dimensional is also known as vector. Clear? Then basics of the simple protein. Graphical representation is called the data visualization. The chart and graph are very important tools for data visualization. The pyplot can be used for developing various types of graphs and charts. These are line chart, bar chart, scatter chart. These are the examples. This is the line chart. It means data will be represented by the help of lines. This is the scatter. It means data will be represented by the dots. And the bar chart, data is represented by the using the bars. Now start how to create the line chart. Then first, what is the line chart? A line chart or the line graph is a type of chart which displays information as a series of data points called the markers and connected by the straight line. Clear? It means example of this is the example of line. It means the data x-axis and y-axis data is given. For the line chart, it is a compulsory the data of x-axis and y-axis must be given. And after this, we have to find the points. It means this is A, this is the x-axis, value of x-axis, this is the value of y-axis. Then we have to plot line, we have to plot graph between x-axis and y-axis. Okay, then just What is the value of x axis? Is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's continue. Now just show the example. This is the line 1. Okay, this is first we have to, because we have to create the line graph, then we have to import the library. Then first one we have, what we have, right? This one, import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. The plt is the object of this library, and this is the x-axis, this is the value of y-axis, and we have plot plt dot plot. The plot function, plot plot function is used to create line, chart, and graph. Okay, then just plt dot plot a comma b. It means a means x-axis and b for y-axis, and just write plt dot show. The plot function is used to create the line chart, and show function is used to display this graph. Then run this program. The output, it means the graph will be displayed in the another window, not output window. This. Okay, this is the line graph. This is the a. It means the value of x-axis. This is the value of x-axis, and b, this is the value of b-axis. The first is 1, 2. It means 1, 2. The value of x-axis is 1 and the value of y-axis is b. It means this one. The second, the value of x-axis is 2 and the value of y-axis is 4. This, I think this one. Okay, then 3, 6. Something this. Then the 4, 8. Okay, these 4 points is also called the marker. First, marker will be point out, then a straight line is created to cover the all the markers. This is called the line chart. Okay, there are some other features. Then then this is the another program to create the line. Again, import x-axis is over. It means this is the program to create a line chart or line graph between over and run. The first over, there are 2 run. Second over, 4 run, 3, 6, and 4 over, 8 run. We have to plot the graph. Okay, then I write plot dot x label. Sorry, it means it is the title of x-axis. This is the title of y-axis, and then plot and show. Just check. This is the graph run. It means we write plt.ylabel run. It means this function is used to display the message or title of the axis. X label is used to display the message of X label, and Y is used for Y label. Okay, then this one is done. This X label and Y label is used for display the title and heading of axis. Then second one, if you want to create a multiple line chart or graph in a single plot, okay, then we are using 2 times plot. In this example, x np dot arrange. Arrange function is used. It is similar to the range function. It is started from 0 up to 10, and the point 1 is the steps. Okay, then A is cos, B is sine, because we have to display the cos and sine graph, okay, in a single platform. Then we just write plt dot plot x comma a. It means it will create the graph between x and a. A means cos. Then I write r. Why we need r and b? This will show the color of lines. R for red and b for blue. Okay, to identify which one is the sine graph and which one is the cos. Then we have shown the different colors. The different colors are also B for blue, G for green, R for red, then C for crayon, M for magenta, Y yellow, K black, and W white. Okay. This one is. Then again, this is the RB, the color, and the line width. It means with the help of this attribute, we decide the graph width of line. Just check. For example, if I write comma blue, B for blue, comma, then I write line width equals to 5. Then okay, the width is this one. If I write 1, okay. The next is if I write to change the style of line style equals to dash. Okay, now it is blue, B for blue color, and line style is dot 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 dash. It means dash dash dash. Okay, it means what is required. If we want to change the line width, then we are using the line width. When we want to change the line style, then we use the line style. Okay, there are different types of characters used to show different lines. Okay, the next class we will study about the scatter chart and bar chart.